What the hell is protein synthesis? It's the process whereby DNA encodes for the production of amino acids and proteins. Let's just divide these processes into two sections. Transcription first and then translation, okay? So transcription is the process of making RNA from a DNA template. In this process, DNA and transcription factors, RNA polymerase, and ADP are mostly involved. One strand of the DNA double helix is used as a template by the RNA polymerase to synthesize a messenger RNA. In this picture, the bottom strand of the DNA will be used. If you still can't see it, I am going to show you even further. It is right here. I cannot believe I have to encircle the damn thing for you. Anyways, I'd like to know that the DNA in this picture is uncoiled, and that is also one of the steps to transcription. In this picture it seems like all the transcription factors are ready. However, they still need energy to jumpstart the process. Damn it. Fortunately, they do have access to energy in the form of ADP to help start the whole process. So that's a good thing. One of the DNA strand serves as a template for RNA polymerase enzyme to guide the synthesis of RNA. After the synthesis is complete, the RNA separates from the DNA and the DNA recoils into its helix. One more thing to know is that the heterocyclic amine, adenine, on DNA codes for the incorporation of uracil in RNA rather than thymine as in DNA. So pretty much what I've been trying to say is, instead of pairing A with T, you actually pair A with U, and by the way U stands for uracil. Just making sure you get it. In this picture, you can see what it sorta looks like when the process of transcription is occurring. And the new strand of RNA that we got from transcription should look something like this. Okay, now time to talk about some translation stuff. Okay, so one day someone asked me what the hell is translation one time and I was like, good question. I don't know. Lol, I am just kidding. Okay, seriously, no more trolling around. Okay, here we go. Okay, translation is the process of synthesizing the protein from an mRNA template. Remember, in the first step we got ourselves an mRNA template through transcription, and now we want to somehow get protein from it in the process of translation. There are a few key factors that play major roles in the process of translation. One of them is the mRNA, obviously. Then the ribosomes. The tRNA also plays a part. One thing to know is that the mRNA contains codons that will encode for specific amino acids. Okay, the process of translation goes on 3 phases: initiation, elongation and termination. Initiation starts when a ribosomal unit attaches to the mRNA. The tRNA contains an anticodon that is complementary to the mRNA codon to which it binds. A corresponding amino acid comes up. The ribosome then binds with them. This process happens over and 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 over again. This very long process is what would be called elongation. Haha, that's funny, lol, that's what she said. Okay, seriously, like I said, the process happens over and over again. However, when a stop codon comes up, the elongation stops. That's what I call termination. After the termination, the ribosome goes away and then the damn protein is formed. Finally, OMG, it took me a long time to finally get here. Holy cow, this damn project is time consuming. And that's it for protein synthesis. Hope you've learned something you haven't learned already.